So how do you turn on the Bluetooth without using a mouse? So in this video, I'll exactly show you 7 ways in which you can turn on Bluetooth without even using the mouse. So without much ado, let's jump into it. This is Sonit from Techitrical. So the 7 ways that I'll show you is popping up right now on your screen. So for the first method that I'll show you is using the quick actions. So on your keyboard, you have to click together the Windows key and the letter A. So if I click Windows key and the letter A, there would be a screen that comes up on the right hand side of your screen. Now from there, you will see that there are different options that you can see here. One of them is the Bluetooth. Now you can toggle to this particular section here without using the mouse in the way that if you use the tab key, and from there if you just closely watch my screen, it goes from one object to the other, and then from there you can reach to your particular section that is there. And also you can press on the Bluetooth using the space key. Now for the second method, I'll do it using the Bluetooth settings. Now in this step, what you have to do is together using the Windows key and the letter I, if you press that together, then the settings window pops up. Now from there you can either type here from settings as Bluetooth and other devices, or you can click devices that is there right there. So if I give here, as I said, Bluetooth and other devices, so if you use your arrow keys and then from there you can go ahead and select this. So in my case, what I'll do is I'll use the tab key to reach to my devices, and you can also use your right key or your left arrow key. And once you are into devices, if you click that, you would see that the Bluetooth option comes up here. Now in my case it is turned on, but you can always go ahead and toggle this on and off. Now for the third method, I'll use the airplane mode settings. For that, you have to click the Windows key and the I to go to settings. So if I click Windows key and I'll come again to my settings window. From here, what you have to do is you need to reach to the airplane mode. Again, I'll use the tab key and then I'll use the down arrow key to reach to my airplane mode, and then I press enter, and then again you would see that the Bluetooth option comes up here, which again you can toggle on or off depending on your requirement. Now for the fourth method, I'll use the Cortana that comes with the Microsoft OS. So on the search, if you type here Cortana, you would find the app there. So if you open that, and if it is not signed in, you would need to first sign in to your Cortana, and then once you are signed in, you can say turn on Bluetooth, start Bluetooth or activate Bluetooth, and it will work accordingly. Next, we move to the method that I'll use using the function keys. Now some keyboards do not support the shortcut while others do. So if your keyboard supports that, then you can press F7 to automatically switch to the airplane mode, and from there I've already shown you the method how you can reach to the Bluetooth in the previous methods. Now in smaller laptops, they have the option of function key. So if you can press function key plus F7, then also you can reach to the airplane mode. But again, just to let you know, all keyboards do not support the function keys with the shortcuts that I have just now said. Then we move to the next method using the run command. So on the search here, if you click here and if you type here dev management, so it's mgmt.msc, and then if you press enter, you would see that the device manager pops up. So again, use your right arrow key to come to the device manager and then press on open. And once you open that, what happens is your device manager opens up where you can see the Bluetooth is showing right there. So again, you use your tab key and then your down arrow key to reach to your Bluetooth, and from there you can start your Bluetooth. Now the next option that I'll show you is using the arrow keys. So if you do not have a mouse key as a standby, then you can go ahead and use the arrow keys together using some shortcuts. So the shortcut is Shift plus Tab, and then you use your right arrow key to move to the quick action section. And once you are in the quick actions, you can again come across the same window that I showed in some of the options previously mentioned in this video. So you can go ahead and rewind that and check that. And again, you will come to the section in Bluetooth from where you can go ahead and turn on your Bluetooth. Now all of these methods that I showed in this video you will find in my blog article that is popping up right now on your screen, and it's also in the description down below. So make sure that you visit that and read all of these options, and together with that you will also have the frequently asked questions also. Now comment below and let me know which of these options did you use to turn on your Bluetooth without using the mouse.
Now I would really appreciate if you can give me a like and also subscribe to my channel, clicking the notification bell so that you are notified as soon as I come up with such videos again. Please share this video with all your friends and family in social media because YouTube likes that engagement. Now there are 2 videos that are coming up right now on your screen, so please make sure that you watch them till the end. Till the next time, bye bye.